Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the YakChat app for Microsoft Teams. To start with, head to the homepage of our website yakchat.com. Once you're there, click on the Resources tab at the top of the page and choose the Help Center option. Now you can see two options, the YakChat app and the YakBot. For this video we'll only be installing the YakChat app. If you need help on installing YakBot, we'll cover this on another video which you can also find on our website. But for now, go ahead and click the App Installation tab here. This page displays all the instructions you'll need to download the YakChat app, but at the top of the page you'll find the Download App button. Clicking this button downloads the app into your Downloads folder, but it's really important that this folder remains a zip folder. It mustn't be extracted in any way or at any point in the installation process. Once you've downloaded the zip folder, it's time to install it into Microsoft Teams. So first open Teams. Then go to the Apps tab at the bottom left of the screen. You should now be able to see the option to upload a custom app. If you can't see this option, simply contact your Teams administrator and complete step 4 of the instructions page on our website. When you see the option to upload a custom app, click on it and you'll then be asked to choose the file that you want to install into Teams. Now click on the YakChat folder that you've just downloaded. A pop-up window will appear with the option to add the YakChat app. Select Add and another login pop-up will appear. If you don't see this tab, try refreshing the tab at the top right of the screen, restarting Teams and your computer. After you've logged in using your Microsoft 365 details and you've reviewed the permissions page, YakChat should open immediately. If it doesn't, you'll need to register your company as shown in the pop-up here. Once you've registered your company, you're now ready to use YakChat. But if you experience any problems or have any questions, simply contact us at info@yakchat.com or on the chat function on our website, and we'll be really happy to help.